morning, class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now, as you all know that we all are revising for our half yearly examination as we are taking up chapters one by one. So for today, we are going to revise our chapter number 5, that is Anita and the honeybees. In this chapter, we got to know about Anita, and through Anita, we got to know the importance of education, importance of educating girls, importance of being independent, importance of earning respect for ourselves. And we also got to know about the bee culture, apiculture. Okay, how do we rear bees, how do we collect honey, and what all types of bees are there, what all types of ants are there in ants colony. Okay, so we discussed about all of these information in our chapter. So today we are going to discuss some revision exercises based on this chapter, which are very important from your exam point of view. So you all are going to write down these exercises in your EVS notebook, and after completing your work you will share the pictures of your homework in the homework group before 5 p.m. positively. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. In class 4, I hope you all are doing good. Now today we are going to discuss some important exercises related to our chapter number 5, Anita and the honeybees. So let's look at our questions one by one. In question number 1, we have been given fill in the blanks, in which we have to fill in the blanks with suitable answer. So first one says dash, dash and dash live and work like honeybees. So we were given some other insects which work like honeybees, okay, in the chapter. So those were ants, termites and wasps. So these three insects also work like honeys in a colony. Second one is Anita goes to the college by a cycle. Okay, she used to ride on cycle while going to her college. True or false? Anita studied only up to class 5th. No, she completed her studies. She also did some higher studies. Okay, so this is absolutely false. Anita was popular among the children she was teaching. Absolutely, each and every child used to love Anita the way she used to teach them. Where did Anita live and what did Anita do when she was young? So all of the information related to Anita's childhood is very important from your exam point of view. So Anita lived in Bochaha village, and when she was young, she used to spend all her time by grazing her goats for food. Okay. Why did some insects go near the flower? So why do you see insects hovering over the flower? So there is a purpose behind that, and that purpose is that these insects, okay, these insects, for example, bees, butterfly, they get nectar from the flowers. So that is why you will, most often find these insects hovering over the flowers. Now next question is, what type of ants are there in ants nest? So we just discussed that ants, just like honeybees, they live in colonies, they live in groups, and in that group there are certain types of ants. So that's what we are going to discuss. So those types of ants are queen ant, soldier ant and worker ant. I would also suggest you to go through the role of each and every type of ant and bees, because these are very important from your exam point of view. Now next question is, why did Anita start teaching young children of her village? So when Anita was young, why did she start teaching these children? So Anita started teaching young children of the village because she wanted to continue her studies, and to continue her studies she wanted some money to finance her studies. So that's why she started teaching some children, so that she would be able to finance her studies. Question number 7. How do bees communicate with the other bees about the nectar? So bees do a special type of dance when they find flowers with nectar. So when their fellow bees sees them, okay, doing this special type of dance, they are able to recognize that they have finally found the nectar. Now these were your exercises for today. You all are going to write down these exercises in your EVS notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting, and after completing your work, send the pictures to the homework group timely. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.